Hey everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about Laravel Dropzone. So here you can drag and drop file uploading using Laravel. Okay, so we will use in this tutorial Dropzone.js. First of all I need to install Laravel in our system. So hey, if you want a hosting, you can purchase from the host Xmart, and even really this is very cheap hosting. Even if you want a VPS hosting or cPanel hosting, so you can purchase from here. So I am going to show you this one, second one, VPS hosting. So if you purchase from the cPanel hosting, really this is very cheap product, and yes, you can check, really this is really low price product. You can check 49 rupees per month something, and 3 month 89 rupees, and 100 rupees per month something gold plan. Even you can upload the multiple website also, and really this is a very good. I am also already using from 3 months something. I have good experience from this, and if you want to use particular this product, so you can check from my description area. Coupon code also you can apply, so you can get discount using real programmer coupon code. So suppose you have already installed your system Composer. So once Composer install your system, then you need to install Laravel project. So we need to write command here, Composer create project prefer, then dist space Laravel, then again Laravel, and then space your project name. So suppose I am going to create Laravel Dropzone, so I have put it real Laravel drop. Okay, so once this command I have written here, then click on enter. This process will take little bit time, because all configurations, all files Laravel will is installed, so this will take little bit time. Okay, so once this Laravel drop install in our system, then I need to go inside of this folder which is Laravel drop. So then we need to configure database also. Then I am going to create database Laravel, MySQL user, this is my password. Now we are inside of MySQL. Then I'm going to create database, then create database, and database I want same this one. This is created successfully. Once this is done, we need to configure database. Okay, we need to take a patience, because this process will take little bit time. Inside of this project we have created project name is Laravel drag. So now I am going to open this project in VS editor. Just click right here, code space dot. So this project are opening here. So let me start that first of all. So first of all I need to configure. We have created database before, then we need to put inside of .env configurations. So now I am going to put root @123 and Laravel drag I have created. Okay, so this is a maybe drop. Let me check that. We have created database with the name of Laravel drop. Okay, so this is our database. So now this is also configuration and done from my side. Now what we need to do, again we need to use routes inside of the routes also, before the routes also we can create a controller. Okay, so now I'm going to use this terminal. Remind me later. Now, so we have this terminal right now we are using. Okay, so now I am going to use php artisan make controller, then space controller name I want drop zone controller. So this is our controller name. So now I am going to hit. Once this controller are created successful, so we need to check inside of the controllers. Now you can check we have this controller, so I am going to minimize this one. Now we have this controller, so what we need to do here, we are using request and we need to also get the response. Okay, so now this is proper, good. Now I am going to use public function okay, so now we have written here public function. I want to name as a drop zone and enter this here. Now inside of the drop zone function we need to return view, and here inside the return view I am going to put name of the file, which is drop zone view. So this is the file, okay, we are returning. Then again we need to write different function, which is public function, and here drop zone. Okay, so drop zone we need to store the particular value inside of the drop zone function. So this drop zone functions has some request and response. Request, this is also request, we have added request, and once this is done I am going to use image suppose, and we have the request which will pass by user, and here file. Okay, now inside of the file I am going to use image name equal to, I want to set as time first, and here give some space, and again I want to concatenate again here, then image extension function. So now we have this particular variable we are storing image name. Okay, once this system, then again image move, where you want to move you just put here public underscore path. Inside of the public underscore path we need to write image, give some space and put here image name. Okay, then enter again and return response, okay. Inside the return response we want to pass in JSON. So let me check that here I have written as a wrong response as the array I want. Here we want success message. Again here we want image name. This is done. So this part is done from my side. Then also we need to configure routes. Okay, so let me go inside of the routes web.php, then go inside of the routes. If anyone hit this one, I want to remove this particular functions and everything, so I want to use again route Okay, method is get, and inside the method, if anyone hit image, then I want to call drop zone controller, and here we have created function name is drop zone. Okay, once this is done, then also we need to write one more route, which is for the post method. Okay, so now second parameters, first parameter I want drop zone slash store, then here we can call drop zone, and here is store. Okay, this is fine. Let me check this one. Yes, this is fine. So now what we need to do, we have created a drop zone view, which is inside of the views resource view. Let me go inside. First of all, resource view, inside of the view I want to use dot blade dot. So now we are here. So now you can check from my blog, which is I have already created. So now I don't want to write to HTML part, so that's why I am going to copy and paste something. Once this is done, so you can paste here. And also one more thing, I am going to explain you everything step by step. So now, and if you want to more clarification about this particular part, so please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make another video so you can understand more. So suppose now here we have the created script part, and we need to put here, by mistake I have put it here. So now this is perfect. Now we are uploading here. So 1 second, let me clear the doubt. So I want to put here as a URL, and URL also we have put it here. Let me copy that part, this one, and I want to use this. So now we are storing particular multiple images, so we are using form, and also we are using multi-part, this one, which can we use file. So whenever you want to upload files, so you need to keep in mind, we need to put in the HTML tag also this one. Okay, so we have the class which is drop zone, and ID this one, upload also this one. So also we are checking, we are uploading the file, and also we checking here, you can check here for the validations, this is a JPG or not, this is a JPG and PNG, GIF, PDF, we are particular checking. Suppose, and also we are one means we are particular giving the a particular date file size, which is right now 1 MB. So you need to do that, this one also. And one also command we need to put for the form. So just this one, run this command, composer require Laravel connect to HTML inside of the terminal. Let me zoom that part. So once this is done, you need to also put this this one in provider and alias also. So once this is done, you need to put inside of the here, I have already added this one, and also I have already added here, which is provider, so you can check this one. Okay, so please keep in mind this one you need to put. And once this is done, then I have already installed this part. So now I'm going to run my again. This is perfect, this is uploaded successfully. So hope so this is clear for you. And okay, also let me check that.